When we picture peak health, we often picture grueling, high-impact endurance events like this. But the data tells a different story. A massive cohort study tracked a specific group of people over many years, comparing runners and walkers expending the exact same amount of energy. And alongside the official Surgeon General's report on physical activity and health, the findings were clear. Moderate intensity walking yields reductions in high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes risk that are remarkably similar to high-intensity running. By the end of this video, you will have the tools to build a personalized, injury-free daily walking routine that you can actually sustain for the rest of your life. You only need 3 things to execute this plan: a pair of flexible athletic shoes, clothing appropriate for the weather outside, and a physical calendar or tracking app. The real obstacle to long-term fitness is not a lack of painful effort. It is the absence of a friction-free, habit-based system. Let's build yours. Step 1. Biomechanics. During exercise, increased blood flow alters your feet. They physically expand, swelling up to a full shoe size. Because of this, you must purchase athletic shoes a half size larger than normal. That extra space in the toe box prevents constant friction and blisters. Next, evaluate your clothing. Cotton absorbs sweat and traps it, creating a damp, heavy layer against your skin that leads directly to severe chafing. You need synthetic, sweat-wicking fabrics, like polyester, that move moisture to the surface to evaporate quickly. Choosing the wrong gear introduces immediate physical discomfort. Your brain registers that pain and will subconsciously generate excuses to skip your next session. Step 2. Shift to a scheduled system. Habits are the brain's way of saving energy. By automating behavior, you stop relying on unpredictable motivation. To build this routine, your system must check 2 specific boxes. It must be convenient, and it must be consistent. You must pick a specific, non-negotiable time of day for your walk. Create a frictionless trigger for this time. Commit to stepping out your front door at exactly 7 a.m. every single morning. Or park exactly 4 blocks away from your office building, forcing yourself to walk the rest of the way. Next, make the habit enjoyable by pairing it with an exclusive reward. Only listen to your favorite podcast or audiobook while you are on your walk. Alternatively, schedule your route so you always walk with a specific friend. Waiting until you feel motivated guarantees failure. Consistency comes from removing the daily decision-making process entirely. Step 3. Select your environment. Match your route to your physical capacity and the local weather. If you are a beginner, a school track offers a flat, predictable surface. During harsh winters, an indoor temperature-controlled mall is a highly effective alternative. When weather permits, seek out nature trails or forests. Clinical research shows walking in green environments actively lowers stress hormones and anxiety. You must also execute mandatory safety protocols to mitigate physical risks. Apply sunscreen during peak hours. Always carry water with you, and wear reflective gear near dusk. Always keep your phone in your pocket. Texting while walking noticeably decreases your stride length and significantly impairs your balance, drastically increasing your risk of tripping and falling. Deliberately controlling your environment eliminates the situational variables that cause preventable injuries and provide easy excuses to stay indoors. Step 4. Tracking. Plotting daily steps against early death risk shows a steep drop early on. The 10,000-step rule is just a 1960s marketing tactic. Clinical data shows massive mortality reduction occurs between 4,400 and 7,500 steps, after which benefits plateau. Ignore the daunting targets. Set a baseline goal of simply adding 1,000 to 2,000 steps to whatever your current daily average is right now. To lock in the final rewarded pillar of your daily habit checklist, employ comedian Jerry Seinfeld's highly effective calendar method. He places a large X on a physical calendar for every day he completes his task, creating a visual chain he refuses to break. During your first month, your objective is not to hit a specific step count. Your only goal is to maintain that uninterrupted visual streak of X's on your calendar. You now have a completed plan. You have blister-preventing gear, a scheduled daily trigger, a safe environment, and a visual tracking calendar. The medical baseline is clear. Accumulating just 11 minutes a day of moderate walking measurably prevents premature death and chronic disease. Put on your prepared shoes, step out the door right now, and go earn your first X on the calendar. Lifelong health is not built through occasional heroic feats.
It is built through the quiet power of one simple, perfectly executed daily step.